Hi everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary, motivational speaker and career counselor. Today I'm here for you with a lot of vacancies. If you are a job seeker and belongs to Tuthugadi, Tamil Nadu, then these vacancies are for you. First of all, I would like to share that the vacancies I am sharing with you, for these vacancies, I don't take any kind of information. I don't charge any kind of thing from you. It's just a help from me for the unemployed job seekers. I would like to share one more thing. One more thing that I always say, don't go to the consultants and don't give any kind of advance to them. Why you give advance to them? Why you give advance to them? Even if I have noticed that some of you guys don't get job from the consultants and you have to waste your money. Sometimes I've noticed that you don't get job according to your relevancy. Sometimes you want to become an accountant and they provide you job of receptionist. Sometimes you want to become an engineer and they provide you job of a telecaller. So it's a big mistake from you. Don't do this. This is the main reason that you can't be successful in your life. So I request you, don't give any kind of advance to the consultants. Yes, if they are providing you first of all job, after that they are asking money, you can give them. But don't give advance to the consultants. So if these vacancies suits you, then you can take proper information from me in comment section. If these vacancies doesn't suits you, then please share these vacancies to every job seeker who is unemployed, so that we can help him, help her, and provide them a lot of jobs there. So it's a social help from me. I don't take any kind of charge. I'm not sharing phone numbers and email IDs in this video. But if you want to get contact details of the companies, you can share your resume on my Telegram number 9888330068. After that, I will share a lot of vacancies there. I will send you one link there. There you will see a lot of vacancies there, and after that you can contact them directly. Is it? So let's start today's vacancies. In a company, we need HR executive. If I talk about your qualification, you should have passed MBA in HR. Experience. If I talk about experience, freshers can also apply. If I talk about salary, salary will be disclosed during interview. If I talk about timings, it will be disclosed during interview. You must have good communication skills in English. After that, in our industry, we need an instrumentation engineer. You should have passed BTech in instrument engineering. And if I talk about your experience, you must have experience of around 6 months. If I talk about timings will be discussed during interview. It's flexible. And if I talk about salary, salary will be 35,000 per month. But your communication skills in English should be high. Now, in a jewelry showroom, we need one executive. If I talk about your role, event responsibilities, displaying the jewelry at the customer counters for customer, explaining about the different types of jewelry, manufacturing information and items used. After that, helping customers make the right choice by recommending them good jewelry according to their requirements. Now, another job responsibility is keeping current with the newest style in jewelry. Once the purchase is made, preparing financial records, bills and validity certificates, arranging for secure shipping of the jewelry, keep in frequent contact with jewelry manufacturers and place orders. In a company, we need one web designer. You must have passed 10+2 minimum. Freshers can also apply. If I talk about timings is a remote work. You can work from home. If I talk about salary, salary will be disclosed during interview. But you must have good communication skills in English. So these were some vacancies. If these vacancies suits you, then you can take proper information from me in comment section. If these vacancies doesn't suits you, then please share these vacancies to everyone so that we can help everyone who need job, who need any kind of employment. Is it? Thank you so much. Be happy. Always be happy. Thank you.